Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session, guys. So in this video, we already traded a couple of our accounts and hit personal day losses, whatever it's called, on not only our Express account, but also on our trading combine. As you can see here, I do have one set, and then I have another trading combine, but this one is up in profits. We were able to smash green, and this one has no limitations on it, whereas my other ones do have limitations of about like 160, 150. I believe this one's 200 though. This one's 200 PDLL, whatever you call it, and then this one's 160 on the XFA. But on this combine here, we're up pretty decent, so we can risk it pretty big. We're gonna see how much money we can make and run this up to, or potentially get to like 2K, 1.5, who knows. And yeah, just trade this market, whether it's gold, whether it's ES, NQ, micros, minis, doesn't really matter. But gold does look good around here. I literally just threw on some Fibonacci retracements from this high to this low here, and you can see, guys, it just smashed through all the levels. Now here we are kind of at this general area, and it's kind of creating some type of little bit of support here, but of course we got to just wait, see what it does. But chances are of this going back towards the upside is pretty high. So market literally just opened right now. We're going to see what happens. So guys, we are going to take a stab at a long here, just one contract. So we'll hit one.
Order filled.
And reason why one of them at least is because we don't want to risk too much since we're already kind of chasing the top around here. So check it out. This is the reason why I'm in this trade in general. So on gold, we did hit this general area of support. Every time we do hit this general area, you can see it kind of chops, bounces. Then we hit the general area, bounced, and then here we are again for another potential bounce. Third time's a charm, but of course we're willing to take that risk. So let's see what we can do with this bad boy here. Trying to get back in profits now, guys. Probably could have entered another one on that little bit of a dip pullback. Just like that, guys. Look at that, $162 push. This is where you can set your stop loss basically at break even, $10 in profits. So this is the first Fibonacci retracement here. We got to be very careful because of course it can easily just reject and go all the way back to break even. Sell me out for only a $10 gain. But guys, look at this. It's gonna be a nice push. I'm put it on pause for now. Go back to listen to some music and then see what's going on from here in a moment. Fuck, I wasn't paying attention. I just got filled. As you guys can see, my profits changed from whatever it was $10 ago or minus some fees to plus just like $8, I think it is. So I just got slapped out for break even here. Guys, unfortunately, I see my trade setup that I had to just take. So look, it's a very simple breakdown of the most previous lows. Don't get me wrong, shorting gold is wild. Now, I did earlier, but my type of trading style, if you guys have been watching me for a while, is very simply a breakdown a little below previous low and capture the retest.
Order
so
filled.
Here we are on the retest.
Having conversations with mama. Man, my life is a mess. Ain't been returning the text.
Here we are hitting the 3 digits, guys. You know what that means. We can put our stop loss at break even or even set a stop loss of about $24. Reason why I say $24 is because if it does stop me out at 19 to 20ish to $24, then I will still be up over $300. So it's really bad. So I'm gonna set that up here. Guys, I gotta keep reminding people, and I keep saying it in the Discord. I don't say it online, at least on this video. But guys, remind you, I'm on a PDLL for my XFA, as well as even on another one, I'm on a PDLL as well, means personal daily loss limit. Mind you guys that. So 200 there, 164 there. So I'm about to just let this one either ride all day. I highly doubt gold's honestly gonna sell off all day.
Order filled.
So $700 day, and guess what, guys? We're going to hit a lockout. Boom. Get me the fuck out of here. Catch you guys up on the next video. And guys, mind you, again, we're just gonna run through it. This is just a combine. I have an Express account that is on PDLL. I got to keep reminding you guys because I honestly wish what I had done today on this combine was done on my XFA. Now I have another combine that's also on PDL as well. And again, guys, mind you, I'm just being transparent. I want you guys to know that even though I'm up $700 on this account, which is really nothing, it's a challenge account. I'm down today on my XFA. Also down on another challenge account. About a total of about like 300 or two, about like $300, $350. But we're up $700 on this one, so at least. But yeah, guys, so we're ending there. Call it good.